Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the 3 power 12x44 AccuShot scope by UTG. If some of you guys follow my channel, you know I have this monster on my big 308. I just got this one. Guys, this is an excellent deal, literally $113. I'll go through some of the specs with you and show you how I take this optic off and put this new scope on this AR-15 here. It's an excellent scope, guys. If you don't have one, you need to check it out because it comes in a 30mm tube, mil-dot reticle. It's made by Leapers, completely sealed and 100% nitrogen filled. It's a shock, fog, and rain proof for maximum reliability when mounted on your firearm. It has a premium lockable and resettable turrets that allow for the most consistency and precision capability of maintaining a proper zero. The well-received mil-dot reticle found in every AccuShot scope, which many people have, is complemented by a crisp 1/4 MOA or minute of angle click adjustments. So it's an excellent scope, guys. With it has angled sunshade, flip up lens caps, and quick detachable rings that mount on any Picatinny rail. If you guys see my other video, it's not as big as or it's not as long as the scope I have on the big 308. It's a little bit shorter in length, but it has all the same features and capabilities just like the other one does. I absolutely love these flip-up sights. And if you guys that have it and you don't like them flip-up sights, you can take them off. This is a sun shade here, but these do just pop right on and pop off, but they're made very well. They're not cheap. It's an excellent scope. All the turrets are lockable, which is another great feature. I love that the battery compartment is right here on top, and the controls for the red or green reticles are right here on the top as well. It's very easy to find your way through it. This one's about almost 10 inches long, 9.8. It's 3 inches in width and a height of 2.3. It's 1.5 pounds. It has a 12x magnification. They do come with a lifetime warranty, which is awesome. And again, it came with the scope rings, the flip-up lenses, covers, a cleaning rag, battery, everything you need to mount this onto your rifle. It's an excellent scope, guys. I've used it on my other rifle many times and never had an issue with it. Like I said, it has lockable and resettable turrets. And it also has the easy tap illumination enhancement technology. So your scope, your rectile, you can make it brighter or dimmer, and it also comes in 36 different colors, which, like I said, I like it a lot for people that have, different problems with eyesight with colors. There's a whole bunch of colors right there that you can select from, and you can adjust the intensity of the rectile, like the thickness or the brightness of it, just by the push of a button, which is an excellent feature. Also, I like that a lot. Like I said, 36 color multi-mode operation. It's really good. It's built right into the rectile system. Like I said, you can choose red or green. It just has a lot of things you can do. The side wheel design here provides, it's very user-friendly, easy and quick access for any kind of adjustments with big wheels that lock for zeroing. You can set the zero and then lock it, and very easy for resetting the zero as well. Like I said, it has a lot of great features, too many that I can't even remember or go over. But like I said, it does have a lifetime warranty, and we'll go through how I get it on here and go over some other things about it. It has a saddle height of 15 millimeters. Like I said, it fits on any Picatinny or Weaver rails. And these detachable twist locks are excellent to move it from gun to gun. No screwdrivers or none of that needed. Like I said, this opens up just like some of the lights do, and it fits right on any rail that you have on your rifle. It's very excellent. Like this is the UTG 3-power 12x44 30mm compact scope. It has colder lenses for maximum light transmission for best clarity. It's completely sealed in nitrogen. Like I said, shockproof, fogproof, rainproof. So they are waterproof. And like I said, 36 colors modes to accommodate all weather and light conditions. It has a low profile illumination control with 2 soft ergonomic control buttons designed for natural, smooth, quick reaching or hand or finger operation. Like I said, right here on the top. And here's the battery compartment. It just got a lot of cool features, guys. And they're not hard to install. Like I said, if you guys follow the channel, you know that I have this on my big 308 over there. Let me get a screwdriver. I'll take this sight off and put this sight here on another AR that I have. I use this AR a lot, so I'm gonna put that brand new scope right on top of that one. But again, they're very easy to install, guys. And like I said, if you haven't, and they're not outrageously expensive. That's what I like about it. I know some guys, they got scopes on their guns that cost $500, $600, $700, $800. I can't afford that. Even if I could, I don't even know if I would even do that, because I mean, I wouldn't mind having a night vision one just to have it, but I don't know if I would spend $500, $600 on an optic. Even if I did have the money, I'm not sure that I would do that. Especially when I can get almost the same results, if not as good or as better as some of them big $500-$600 scopes. To me, that's foolish. It's a waste of money, because another $500, $600, $700 for a scope, shit, you can damn near go out and buy you another hunting rifle, and that's what I would rather do. But that's me. I mean, everybody's entitled to purchase what they want. Like I said, I doubt that I would ever spend that type of money on a optic. Whether I was able to afford it or not, I just don't think I would do that. I think I'd much rather have another gun, be able to purchase another gun, and I'd be perfectly fine with that. But like I said, it's very easy. No tools needed, guys, to open this up and get it on your Picatinny mount here. Very simple. And then you turn it and lock it, and believe me, they do not move. It gives you all the Allen keys that you need to mount the scope. It's got 4 screws that hold it down, the rings, which I like a lot too, because it does not move, guys. And it has a rubber coating on the inside of these scope rings here that actually protect the scope. And like I said, if you follow the channel, you'll see that I have it on my big 308, and I love it. I don't like them cheap caps that you get on some of the other, like the red dots or some of the other scopes you got. You got a nice scope that you pay a couple $100 for, and then you got these cheap rings. I mean, these cheap lens covers on there. I'm always afraid of, something ruining the glass on there. Like I said, I take care of my stuff. I work hard for my stuff, so I try to take care of it the best I can. That way, when I need it to work, they do its job. They're not messed up. So each one of these rings, like I said, they have 4 screws that hold it down, and inside of it there's like a rubber coating, almost kind of like a sticky tape kind of, so when it's clamped down on your scope, it doesn't do no damage to it. But everything comes with it. Like I said, guys, $113. I ordered it yesterday and I got it this morning. You can't beat that. That's a great deal. They do have other ones that are up in the $200-300, but when you go through the specifications and the features, they're almost exactly the same as the $100 scope. So, like I said, I don't think I would ever spend like hundreds of dollars on a scope. I guess if I had a lot of money and I could afford it, I might just to have it. But like I said, I'd much rather have a nice scope that I know is going to function properly and it's going to work. And then I have extra money. If I want, I can go buy me another rifle. But it has this little protective coating on here, so when you get it on the scope, it's very nice. It doesn't scratch it up or anything. It's very nice and very simple to mount your scope on there. And I like that it's easy to take it apart and to switch it from gun to gun just by turning this little lever here to unlock it. Very simple. I like that a lot on my other gun too, because like I said, you can move it from rifle to rifle, and it's not very hard to get it zeroed in. That's another thing I like about it. It's very easy for zeroing. But the fact that it came with everything, like I said, is another great feature. But again, the main thing is the price. I mean, $100. I don't remember what I paid for the one I got on the big 308. I know it was more than $113. That was probably 7-8 years ago. But I've been very pleased with it. So I figured I'd get another one. I ran across it on Amazon, and it was a great buy. Like I said, it's very simple to install. It's nothing hard or complicated about it. And these levers that they give you here to put on your rail, I mean, they make it so easy for you to, whatever you want to do. And you move it up the next line up, just a little bit more. Yeah, it's very easy to get it locked down. I shouldn't have put this ring on. It's a little bit too close right here. I want to be able to adjust the magnification. It's not touching it, but it's kind of close to it. I just want to move it up just a tad. Make sure it's set in the right position. And no matter how much recoil that rifle has, like I said, I have it on my big 308, and it holds a zero excellent. And with these turrets here, you can lock them so you don't lose your zero if you move it around or whatever, or if you were to bump it or something. You're not gonna lose your zero from it. So that's an excellent feature too. I like that a lot too, that it does that. If you have multiple guns and maybe one you want to use for hunting or target shooting or something else, you can do that and not have to worry about moving it around and losing your zero like some of the other ones. So that's another good thing that I like about it. That was a good thing, a good reason why I purchased this one. Like I said, I already have one just like this one. It's just a little bit longer, but it's just an excellent scope. I've had no issues with it at all. So and like I said, very simple to put together, move around, do whatever you want to do with it. I like that there's multiple color options to choose from, different rectiles. There's a lot of different rectiles to choose from too, which I like, especially the mill dot. I really like that rectile a lot. Crosshairs, it's very simple to adjust for windage, elevation. The fact that they lock down, But they give you a whole list of different rectiles here that you can select, and they give you a guide by numbers here, and then it tells you which one is the best used for a crossbow, for a rifle, whatever. I mean, Leapers, they did a fantastic job. I mean, if you want to get this mounted on your crossbow, whatever, it tells you which would be the best rectile to have on a crossbow or certain types of rifles. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. But again, like I said, I love the color option on there, and you can make it bright or it can be just dim. How it's a personal preference, however you like it. Some guys have eye trouble. I used to have the best eyesight, but as I'm getting older now, I got to wear reading glasses. But the rectile, I use it's like a neon green one that I use on my 308, and like I said, you can adjust the intensity of it, brightness level on it, and I like that a lot. That's a really excellent feature. I love that feature. And it doesn't come on a lot of scopes. You get, one or two colors on there, and that's really about it. You can't adjust the brightness on it. And the fact that it's waterproof, anti-fog, all that, which is great for very cold, crisp mornings out in the woods. And like I said, these nice flip-up caps that you could take on and off, whatever you want to do with it. Just let me make sure my gun is straight, so I got the scope straight. Yeah, it's got a lot of really nice features to it. And like I said, the sunshade here, they just slide right off. Let me see. I don't have the scope all the way mounted down. I'll show you in a second though, but I'm just trying to make sure that I got it. The scope is nice and leveled on the gun. That looks good. Yeah, it looks awesome, huh, guys? I like it a lot. And you guys use this particular scope? If you do, let me know in the comments how you guys like it. And you guys, the rectiles and stuff, which ones you guys use? I'm just curious to see if you guys are like me. Do you guys like that you can adjust the brightness levels of it? I think that's a cool feature to have. But that's it, guys. It's already on there. I just got to put the battery on there. But as you can see, that was literally 5 minutes to put it on there, and it looks absolutely amazing on this AR-15 I got here. I'm very pleased with it. Like I said, if you're thinking about getting one, don't miss this one, guys. There's a whole lot more features and specifications that I didn't go through. You can, when you pull it up on Amazon or online, you can see it. I went through some of them, but it has a lot. But like I said, the Easy Tap 36 colors to choose from, to all right here in the front with a push of a button. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have one? Let me know how you guys like it. The reviews seem to be pretty good on it. There wasn't hardly no bad reviews about it. But the fact that you can lock it after zeroing it in is perfect. You never have to worry about losing a zero again. If you're going to just leave it on one firearm, you'll never have to worry. But if you want to move it from firearm to firearm, you can see it literally just unscrew the rings and take it off, and you're good to go. Again, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you guys next time.